Hello guys, this is a quick tutorial on how to transfer money from your Regions bank account, checking or savings, into another bank account, whether it's US Bank or whichever other bank, friends, family, or even if you have another account. You're trying to send that through Regions. All you would need to do is click at the bottom where it says Payments, click Payments, which I've already got pulled up here, and either go to Bill Pay, Visa Checkout, Send Money with Zelle, and you can click Zelle if you're trying to send it to another bank account. Easy. All you need to do is have your checking and routing number that you're wanting to send it to, the bank, whichever, and then you can either request it, split coming soon, which is not available yet, or you can press send. Let's see, I go to send, and then you can click new account, or you can search up an account that you already have registered, but currently I only have my other account, so all I have to do is click on it and then press send. Or if you want to add a new account, you can add it. It's easy, simple. Just type in the person receiving its first name, last name, and then account number, email if you want to save it. Pretty simple, and then send it. So it's easy through Regions, and yeah, there you go, simple.